Tired of bank fees eating into your hard-earned money when sending it home to India? Let's dive into the best apps for sending money from the US to India, comparing fees, exchange rates, speed, and security, so you can make the smartest choice. First up, Remitly. They're known for competitive exchange rates and fast transfers, often within minutes. To use it, simply download the app, create an account, and enter the amount you want to send. Next, fill in your recipient's details, like their bank account information or UPI. Remitly offers various payment options, including debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Choose your preferred method. Wise, formerly TransferWise, is praised for its transparent fees and mid-market exchange rates. They use a different model by matching senders and recipients in different countries, cutting out hefty bank charges. Setting up a transfer is similar to Remitly. Enter the amount, recipient details, and payment method. Wise clearly shows the fees upfront, so there are no surprises. Xoom, a PayPal service, is a reliable option with a vast network in India. If you already have a PayPal account, sending money through Xoom is super easy. Just log in with your PayPal credentials, enter the amount, and select how you want your recipient to receive the money: bank deposit, cash pickup, or even mobile wallet. Finally, WorldRemit offers a wide range of delivery options in India, including bank transfer, mobile money, and cash pickup at various locations. Before sending, always compare the exchange rates and fees across these apps. Security is crucial, so ensure the app uses encryption and two-factor authentication. Remember, exchange rates fluctuate, so compare the apps each time you send money. Find the one that works best for you and happy sending.